Hi guys, this is Karthik. I'm back with a new release and let's go through the release notes. So, the first issue is with the recording editor, wherein when you try to edit a group and redact some steps in the group, the same was not displayed in the video editor. Now it will be displayed in the video editor. The bug has been fixed. And next comes with the replay. If the replay failed in some cases, the preview step of what has been failed was not displayed. Now this has been fixed and will be displayed in the recording in the replay experience. In the dashboard, the structure component under the consumption trend was loading very slowly. Now that has been optimized to load fast. And now comes to the settings, that is the language settings in localization and in multiple places wherein the language names appear. It was using the regional locale, and now it has been fixed to use only English US locale. Previously, you might have been facing an issue wherein the language template editor appears read only and you don't know who was editing it actually. Now it will be displayed who exactly was editing the language template editor basically. And when it comes to the published content in IFS applications, so in IFS desktop applications, the the published content was not displayed when through the IFS app. Right, in IFS app we have a configuration wherein you can load your content in the IFS desktop application, which was not showing up. Now this has been fixed, and you can view the content inside the IFS application. And if a note contained any angle brackets, while you after you produce and publish it in the Word or in the PDF, the note displayed bit differently. It contained some other HTML content. Now this has been fixed. When it comes to UXP in Assist, when using UXP Assist, in some places in IFS, the Assist used to overlap the controls which it was trying to assist for. So now that has been fixed, and you have to reproduce your content to see this live. Now under APT, the web restart function did not work for the apps that use O365 as a login. That issue has been now fixed. In assets, you might have seen logs for the scenarios that has been run. You'll find a screenshot as well as text next to it. Now the screenshots will be by default full screenshots. When with respect to APT in ClickLearn console, we now have a new command that has been introduced in the console, and the command goes like apt.share, and in the brackets you can give you the path name .zip, wherein you like to download the log files and the scenario files as well. So this contains the log files that has been executed as an apt file, as well as the scenario, the screenshots and the text that has run with it, if it has a recording. When you have multiple ClickLearn console MSI packages installed on your machine, it most likely you might have encountered an issue wherein one of the MSI didn't work properly, and now that has been fixed. When it comes to connectors, we now support Salesforce version 66. And in IFS, when it comes to if you have encountered a dialog box that appears while it has not been recorded, say let's say you have not recorded the dialog box, but unexpectedly you see a dialog box, but still there are controls that are behind the dialog box which was replayed, which was clicked, and the replay continued after that. Ideally the replay should have stopped, but now it is fixed, and now if there is an unexpected dialog box, the replay will stop in IFS. In some cases in IFS, the value of the drop down did not appear when recording it. Now it is fixed. In Oracle HCM, there was a button that named submit, and it has underscore, or it has a dash above the M, and the word submit did not record correctly. Now that has been fixed. That will be recorded correctly. You have to replay the recording for it to be fixed. Date control in Acumatica was not recognized or identified while we record it. Now that issue has been fixed. You need to re-record that particular step if you have recorded it wrong. In finance and operations, when you use the option called fixed row and you've set the row number to 3, uh, in even though you replay it again, it was not selecting the third row, rather it was selecting the first row in any case. So that issue has now been fixed. in Business Central, in some cases, the button ID was being recorded instead of the actual button name. Now that has been fixed. Now, when you record it, the button name will be recorded instead of the ID. You just need to replay to fix this issue. Yep. So that concludes the release notes. So, bye everyone. See you in the next one. Thank you.